Ever heard that feeling? You've been holding onto Bitcoin for a while. Maybe you bought in during the dip. Maybe you've been mining for months, and now it's finally at a price you're happy with. You're ready to take some profits, turn that crypto into cold, hard cash, but then a nagging question pops into your head. How much is Kraken going to charge me to withdraw my Bitcoin? Yeah, that transaction fee can be a real buzzkill, especially when you're dealing with something as valuable as Bitcoin. Well, worry not, crypto comrades. That's exactly what we're here to break down today. Now, Kraken isn't exactly known for having the absolute lowest fees out there. There are some exchanges that might seem cheaper on the surface, but Kraken makes up for it in other areas, like their strong security record and wide variety of features. So, if you're looking for a reliable platform to buy, sell, and trade your crypto, Kraken is a solid choice. But back to that all-important question, fees. For withdrawing Bitcoin specifically, Kraken charges a flat fee, which means it's the same amount regardless of how much BTC you're moving. Here's the kicker, that fee isn't a dollar amount, it's actually a Bitcoin amount. Why a Bitcoin amount? Well, because the price of Bitcoin fluctuates. If they charged a fixed dollar fee, it might seem like a steal one day and a rip-off the next. By using a flat Bitcoin amount, they keep things consistent. So, how much Bitcoin does Kraken take for withdrawal? Currently, it's set at 0.0002 BTC. Now, that might not seem like much at first glance. But remember, Bitcoin is a very expensive cryptocurrency. As of today's recording, that 0.0002 BTC translates to roughly around insert current dollar amount equivalent to 0.0002 BTC. Ouch! That can be a significant chunk of change, especially if you're only moving a small amount of Bitcoin. Here's the good news, Kraken has minimum withdrawal amounts. This means they won't even let you take out your Bitcoin unless you're moving at least a certain amount. Why? Because those tiny withdrawal fees wouldn't even cover their processing costs for super small transactions. For Bitcoin, the minimum withdrawal amount is currently 0.0004 BTC. So, as long as you're moving at least that much, you'll only be charged the flat fee of 0.0002 BTC. Is there any way to get around those fees? Not really. Kraken's fees are pretty transparent, and they're competitive with other major exchanges. However, there are a couple of things you can keep in mind. Transaction batching. If you're planning on making multiple small withdrawals over a short period, consider waiting and making one larger withdrawal instead. This way, you'll only pay the fee once. Look into alternative cryptocurrencies. Some cryptocurrencies, like Litecoin, have much lower transaction fees than Bitcoin. If you're just looking to move your money off the exchange and don't care about holding onto Bitcoin specifically, this could be an option. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not Kraken's fees are worth it depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you're a high-volume trader who needs to make frequent withdrawals, you might want to consider an exchange with lower fees. But if you're a casual investor who values security and reliability, Kraken is a great platform. So, there you have it. The ins and outs of Kraken's Bitcoin withdrawal fees. Hopefully, this information helps you make informed decisions about your crypto transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.